Every single night, your brain does something absolutely terrifying while you are completely sleeping unconscious in your warm, cozy bed. Suddenly, your eyes snap wide open. The clock glowing in the pitch-black room reads exactly 3 a.m. tonight now. Your heart is pounding hard. The silence feels heavy. You are completely convinced that something is deeply wrong right here. Is there an intruder hiding in the dark shadows? Or did your brain just trigger a random survival panic attack? Millions of people experience this exact midnight terror every single night, yet almost nobody understands the biology behind this now. You lie awake staring at the ceiling, wondering why your body decided to sabotage your precious sleep rest hours today. But what if I told you this annoying midnight awakening is actually a brilliant evolutionary design from your ancestors? Let us dive deep into the fascinating science of sleep and discover why 3 a.m. is so incredibly special. To understand this weird phenomenon, we first need to look closely at how our brain manages night sleep cycles. Your sleep is not a flat line. It is actually a complex roller coaster of distinct 90-minute cycle stages. You start in light sleep, dive deep into restorative stages, and then enter the active dream state called REM sleep. During this REM stage, your brain activity actually skyrockets, looking almost identical to when you are fully awake today. At the end of each cycle, your brain naturally transitions into a very fragile, light state of sleeping rest. These transition moments occur about every 90 minutes, making you highly vulnerable to any tiny noise or internal bodily change. If you fell asleep around 11 at night, your third sleep cycle naturally ends right around 3 a.m. each day. At this exact point, your brain is barely skimming the surface of consciousness, waiting for some quick biological waking trigger. A slight draft, a distant car, or even a full bladder can instantly push you over the light waking edge. Suddenly, you are fully awake. Your conscious mind is now forced to make sense of this abrupt, quiet midnight transition. Instead of drifting back down, your brain starts searching for reasons why you are awake right now, instantly worrying. This is when the real trouble begins, because your quiet nighttime brain is highly sensitive to negative, anxious human thoughts. But wait, there is a much bigger chemical battle happening inside your body while you try to sleep quietly. Meet the two rival hormones that control your entire sleep schedule: melatonin, the helper, and cortisol, the active stressor. Melatonin is the hormone of darkness, rising steadily throughout the evening to make you feel incredibly heavy and tired. Cortisol is your primary stress hormone, designed to wake you up by slowly rising in the early morning hours. Under normal conditions, these two chemicals trade places smoothly, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and energized every day. But when you are chronically stressed, your body's delicate internal chemical balance gets completely thrown out the window now. Your body begins releasing cortisol much earlier than it should, causing a premature chemical spike during deep, dark night. This early cortisol surge collides directly with your light sleep cycle, sounding an internal alarm in your brain today. Your biological system misinterprets this sudden chemical spike as an immediate physical threat lurking in your quiet, dark bedroom. Instantly, your sympathetic nervous system kicks into overdrive, activating your primal fight or flight survival response system right now. Your heart rate accelerates, your breathing becomes shallow, and your body gets flooded with hot, tense, nervous energy today. Because there is no actual physical threat, your brain starts desperately inventing imaginary problems to explain the midnight panic. You begin worrying about your unpaid bills, unfinished work projects, or that awkward comment from 5 long years ago. This mental spiral creates a feedback loop of pure stress, releasing even more cortisol into your bloodstream instantly now. You are now trapped in a vicious cycle, where worrying keeps you awake, and waking makes you worry even more. The quiet darkness of 3 a.m. amplifies every single worry, making minor problems feel like absolute life disasters tonight. This is because your rational prefrontal cortex is still offline, leaving your emotional amygdala completely in charge of thoughts. Without logic to guide you, your brain naturally defaults to worst-case scenarios to protect you from imaginary dangers. You feel completely isolated, convinced that you are the only person awake suffering in the cold, dark night environment. But the reality is that millions of humans are experiencing this exact same chemical fluctuation at this very moment. Our modern lifestyle has turned a natural biological transition into a source of immense psychological torture and frustration today. We expect ourselves to sleep in one solid, unbroken 8-hour block, but this is historically very unusual indeed. Our ancestors viewed the night very differently, and their patterns might surprise you. Let us look at ancient history. Before the invention of electric light, humans did not sleep in one continuous block like we try to do. They actually practiced what historians call segmented sleep, dividing their nighttime rest into two distinct, separate resting phases. They would fall asleep shortly after sunset, rest for 4 hours, and then wake up naturally near midnight today. This waking period, known as the watch, lasted for 1 or 2 hours of quiet, peaceful, relaxed midnight activity. People would read, pray, talk, ponder dreams, or even visit neighbors during this completely normal midnight waking period now. After this peaceful watch, they would drift back into their second sleep until the morning sun finally rose up. This means waking up at 3 a.m. is not a malfunction. It is actually a deeply natural biological state. Your body is simply trying to return to its ancient ancestral rhythm of segmented, two-part sleeping patterns daily. When you wake up now, you are not broken. You are just experiencing a relic of human evolutionary history. But in our modern, hyper-efficient world, waking up in the middle of the night causes extreme anxiety today. Do laundry, pay bills, walk the dog, call mom, fix leaky faucet, replace burnt bulb, organize closet. This performance anxiety about sleep is actually what keeps us awake, not the physiological waking itself at midnight hours. Your brain's panic is a learned response, fueled by clock watching and immediate fear of next-day exhaustion now. If you can remove the fear, your body will naturally drift back to sleep within a few peaceful minutes. Let us look at what actually happens to your body temperature during these crucial hours of deep sleep tonight. Your core temperature drops to its lowest point around 3 a.m., mimicking a natural state of light winter hibernation. If your bedroom is too warm, your body cannot cool down, triggering an immediate survival wake-up alert today. Likewise, your blood sugar levels naturally dip during the night, sometimes causing a sudden rush of adrenaline release now. Your body interprets low blood sugar as a starvation emergency, demanding that you wake up and find food immediately. These physical triggers combine with psychological stress to create the perfect storm for a midnight waking event right now. But do not worry, there are simple, highly effective ways to retrain your brain and reclaim your nights safely. Let us explore how we can easily break this exhausting cycle using proven scientific techniques and smart lifestyle habits. First, stop looking at your clock. Checking the time instantly activates your logical brain and triggers immediate panic today. When you see 3 a.m., your brain instantly calculates how few hours of precious sleep you have left now. This calculation releases a fresh wave of cortisol, making it virtually impossible to fall back asleep anytime soon tonight. Hide your clock, turn your phone face down, and commit to never checking the time during the night hours. Second, apply the famous 20-minute rule. If you are awake for 20 minutes, get out of bed. Staying in bed while frustrated trains your brain to associate your bed with stress, worry, and sleepless panic daily. Move to a dimly lit room and do a boring activity, like reading an unexciting book or journaling thoughts. Do not turn on bright lights, and absolutely do not look at your smartphone screen under any circumstances today. Third, use cognitive shuffling to distract your racing mind. Think of a word and name items starting with letters. This simple mental game scrambles your thoughts, signaling to your brain that it is perfectly safe to sleep deeply. Fourth, regulate your bedroom temperature. Keep it cool, ideally between 6°C and 6-7 degrees Fahrenheit tonight always. A cool room supports your body's natural temperature drop, preventing physical panic responses that wake you up early daily. Fifth, avoid eating heavy meals or drinking alcohol close to bedtime, as they disrupt your deep REM stages completely. By practicing these simple habits, you can teach your nervous system that 3 a.m. is completely safe and normal. You will no longer view waking up as a disaster, but rather as a natural, peaceful biological pause tonight. Remember, your body is an ancient machine living in a modern world, doing its absolute best to protect you. Waking up at 3 a.m. is not a sign of sickness. It is a biological sign of being human. By accepting this natural rhythm, you remove the stress that actually keeps you awake during the quiet, dark nights. The next time your eyes snap open in the pitch black, take a slow, deep, relaxing biological breath immediately. Smile at your brain's ancient survival instincts, and remind yourself that everything is completely fine right now here. You are safe, you are warm, and you are simply experiencing a beautiful relic of human evolutionary history tonight. Let go of the worry, let your core temperature drift, and allow yourself to gently slide back down easily. If you found this scientific breakdown helpful, please subscribe and share this with your tired, sleepless friends today now. We have so much more fascinating human biology to explore together. Stay curious, stay relaxed, and sleep very well. Because tonight, when 3 a.m. rolls around, your ancient brain might just decide to say hello once again now.